Hi everyone, maayong hapon. Today, I will be discussing a very timely and important topic from Chapter 5, Lesson 1. The global and local teacher professional. Is there a difference? As a future educators, it is important for us to understand how our role as a teacher is evolving in response to globalization and localization. Education today is no longer confined within the four walls of the classroom or the borders of our own countries. Instead, it is a part of a larger system that connects culture, nations, and local communities. Let us begin by exploring what it means to be a global and local teacher, starting with their foundation, the global and local teacher education. Global education is all about preparing learners for the interconnected world we live in. It focuses on making students aware of global issues, encouraging them to become responsible citizens who understand culture, economies, and environments beyond their own. There are two keys